Hello, welcome to ATV Cabs. My name is Andrew and this is Jim. And today we're going to be installing our new cab for the BX80 series Kubota tractor. We're going to begin today installing the cab first by installing the back panel. What we're doing here is installing the rear mounting bolts that hold the back panel of the cab to the roll bar. Next, I'm going to grab the door frame for this side of the cab. Simply bring it over and we'll be plugging it into the front receiver hitch, setting it in the receiver hitch, bringing the back. There's two more mounting bolts. They simply slide in, which attaches the door frame to the rear panel. The next step will be to grab the windshield assembly and install that. Again, the front windshield is bolted on with 3 bolts to the front of the door frame on each side. Now all that's left to do is get the locking nuts on. Both I and Jim on his side are doing the same thing, which secures the windshield to the front part of the door frames. Here I'm installing the front bolt, which mounts the front of the door frame to the front receiver mount. The next thing we're going to do is install the roof. There, and again, the rear of the roof locks in to the rear panel very easily. In the front corner, left and right, is a mounting bolt that goes through with a flange nut which secures it. Now this here is the lower windshield cover. This soft panel also has window sewn into it, which is a cold crack window for 40 below zero. It works very well. It's much quieter also inside the cab with this type of front lower panel. The next thing we're going to do now is tip the seat back and tighten up all of the mounting bolts. This secures the door frame to the rear panel. We've also installed a secondary grab handle, which makes it very easy to lift this door up and install the door in the cab. So as you can see, it's very simple to grab the door with both mounting handles here, line them up with a pin. We're going to reach inside and grab our stops. And right now Jim is doing the same on his side. He's installing his door. Now the last thing I'm going to be doing is going to the roll bar and tightening up the mounting bolts, which secures the rear panel to the roll bar. We have your cab installed in actually a matter of minutes. It's very sturdy, as you can see. The whole idea of this cab is for you to be able to take this cab on and off throughout the season if you need to. A lot of people like the cab off. They like to be on the tractor in the summertime, enjoying the summer, enjoying the warm weather. Come fall, within a matter of minutes, take the cab from a small storage area in your garage, install your cab, and you're ready to go for winter or fall weather. So if you're interested in a new cab for your Kubota BX80 tractor, call 920-731-2555 or go online to our website at atvcabs.net.